Alright, well, we're gonna see what we can get. We had that one rainbow. I had something else take a whack at it. I don't know what it was. It kind of smacked it, but then didn't hook up all the way. Kind of limited on my casting though. So not too bad. I got this. I can back cast like that. I can go over my non-dominant. Nope. Oh, I had another one for a second. Missed, lost it. Hopefully we can get another one or two out of this pool and then we'll move downstream. Seems like they're not chasing it down very much. It looks like I'm maybe having to get it right in front of them or something. Got another one on. All right. Trying to run me in under that ice. Smart fish. Kind of smacked it. There we go. Get our hand in the water. Figure out which way this guy took it. Which way did you take it? There we go. Nice little rainbow, a little 12 or so incher. Probably a little stocky or something. I wouldn't be surprised. I don't think there's many natural trout in this section. I think it's all pretty much stocked. See if we can get ourselves another one. I think something might have tagged it right there. I thought I saw the line jerk forward. Might just be running on the ground. Oh, there's another one right there actually. What do you know? Awesome. Not as fun as catching those 18s that I normally catch out there on the Platte, but Still better than nothing. All right. Which way did he take it? There he goes. Up, up, up. A nice little 12-incher. 12, 13, maybe 14 at the most. Like the third trout, about the same size, so you kind of get the idea that they're probably all stocked. But it makes fishing fun. And it's not the old, you know, native. I'm gonna wish I brought my net, but I'm not too concerned. Oh, no way, another one? They must be stocked up in that one area. I think we'll call this one good for this hole move down, so that way somebody else can mess with this hole if they want to. Oh, fish, 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 fish. Oop. Oh, cold fish. There we go. Another fish about the same size. All right, we're gonna move downstream, see what else is going on down there. If out where's nothing else, we can always come back up here. Of course, that's depending on whether or not there's somebody fishing this spot when we get here, but go downstream, see what it looks like below this dam over here. Plus, I'm pretty sure I heard my wife, and she probably didn't see me standing over there fishing. So, but oh yeah, that looks like a good spot below that little spot down there. May have to switch to a nymph, get a bit more traditional. Let's see, looks like, how far down do we go before we cut in? That's a nice little spot right there. I don't think it's deep enough for a bugger. Let's go back up, check it out. You can see that's where plenty of people have been cutting down here. There might be enough. That's pretty shallow. Like you could probably get some spots in there. Definitely with a nymph. Or even a small dry fly, do a small dry dropper. Or just go dry, see if maybe they're coming up. I know the little creek chubs that I'm finding in some of these smaller pools, they were definitely active, willing to go for stuff. But got this nice outflow pool up here just below that section. Yeah, that's a nice little, that's pretty shallow. I mean, it's a nice little run, but I don't think there's much in that way. There might be something up here. Maybe switch to a nymph. Definitely not a woolly bugger kind of situation. And there might be a small trout in there. I think I'm gonna just keep heading downstream, seeing if I can't find something a little deeper. I'll keep this in the back for when I come back up. Maybe I'll try it then. Right now it don't seem like there's enough. It's a little goofy with the current, and it's not super deep. I was hoping it'd be a little deeper than that. That's so far the one thing that I'm noticing here is it's super skinny water. They call it a creek, but and I know in some, you know, in a lot of areas, you know, you can call it a creek. It's just a very small creek. It's more like a brook. And of course, if there was higher water, it would help a lot. Oh, to the next hole. Looks like we're running into some slightly better water here. A couple areas, maybe. Ooh, it looks like a nice wide spot down there. I don't know if it's got any fish in it. If it's got any depth. This looks like a half decent spot, possibly. And it's pretty slack and slow. Long, slack, shallow. There's some chubs, or whatever those minnow. I keep saying chubs. I don't know what kind of minnow they are. They are aggressive, I'll give them that. Oh, got one. What are you? Looks like a little chub. Yeah, it's a little chub, it looks like. So a little creek chub. Back in your hole you go. But that would explain why the woolly bugger's working. Because that's like pretty good, pretty decent imitation of them, and there's every little half decent spot I come to has got a little stack of creek chubs in it. And there's some good looking pocket water up that way, but it all looks good from a distance, and then you get close to it and it's like 6 inches deep at best. It came back out. Looks like it's a small trout. Might be a big chub, but it can see me or something. It's like you can just kind of tell by its body action it's spooked. Hey, this way. All right. Gonna do the balance beam again. See what we got going on. We can find another. There's supposed to be 3 or 4 of those dams that they put in according to that sign. Come on, there you go. Keep on going, don't stop. give some of those spots kind of a, give some of those spots a little bit of a break, come back up maybe, and stick more towards the creek and fish upstream. Exploit the pocket water. There's got to be some small trout here and there in some of these sections. So we got a nice, got a cliff face over there. Probably going to go down to the bottom of that cliff face and then work it back up. There's got to be a little bit of depth there. If we can get there. It looks like we can cross over there, or we can just see what's going on here first. Got a little bit of depth over there, a little bit of depth underneath this deadfall, but that's going to be hard to maybe up at the top of it, I don't know. Here in the back looks like it's probably creek chub, small trout maybe. Let's try this. Looks like a good pull up there. Up at the top, might get lucky with the small trout. A little bit of line out so we can actually make a cast. I think a creek chub's got it. Maybe not. Ah, slapping it too much. Need to be a little softer on that drop in. Yeah, it's pretty shallow. Luckily I do have such a long leader, so it kind of cut me some slack on that. My crappy casting. Move more up to that drop in maybe. Alright, we're gonna dip out of that spot. Come on, over the, go. Continue downstream. See if we can't come across another good pond area. But here's some over here. Go on. You're going a little fast for me, dog. Hard to keep up. Got some decent looking spots over here, maybe. Got a nice little plunge over there, but I don't think I can get in there with a 9-foot. And so far all the... Oh, it looks like we got a... Looks like we're finally coming up to a dam. So we might have some backup up here, which will be good. Go on. Don't stop. Tilly, you're gonna get yourself kicked off the plank there. Yeah, we got a backed up area up here in a little pond. So we'll check out this pond. Last pond we fished had a few, so we'll check out this one. How's it going? Come on, over here. All right, nice little pond area. What are you doing, Tilly? Oh, line's all tangled. Perfect. There we go. Well, this one I might have to make a kind of long cast on that one to get it in a deeper section. Maybe, maybe not. I think I just had a trout smack at it, but it decided against it or something. Or I was not paying attention, had slack line. I'm dragging something? No. Definitely seeing something's take a swipe at that, but for some reason it didn't take it. Maybe these trout are a little smarter than the other ones in the other pond. I doubt it. But they could be. Could also be that I forgot to trim off that tag end. Dang. Oh, got one. Haha, there we go. Oh, he's got me under the ice. There we go. Got him back. Get the hand wet. Nice little 12 or so, maybe. 10 to 12 on that one probably. He's a little small. Oh, standing on my line. Definitely not going to be able to fish this line for a couple of weeks. It's got duckweed in this pond. It's starting or something. It looks like duckweed. Oh, there's another one. It's kind of like shooting fish in a barrel at this point. Let him go. Nope. Maybe he'll let himself go. Nope. Nice little guy. Nothing huge. You got some kind of pond junk in here. And it pretty much seems like that's where you got to be, is in these ponds. Because I haven't found any trout in any of the smaller sections. Which isn't surprising. The water's pretty cold still. So they probably haven't decided to move up. Darn, I had something hit it there. Didn't get the hook set on it. Ah, got the tree. It was a matter of time before we got the tree. Now let's see if we can get our fly back or not. Alrighty. Got my fly back after I got it stuck in a tree. Terrible cast. Oh, not that bad of a cast. That really did do nothing any better. Oh, had something take a look at it, but decided against it apparently. Oh, swiping at it, missing though. There's another guy. Oh, had him for a second. He got loose. Little guy. Oh, we already have one on. I didn't even feel that guy take it. Oh, it's kind of deep right there, actually. A couple feet at least. Alright, one of these days I'll remember to get my net with me half the time. Another little, maybe 10-inch. I think I grabbed a tree on that back cast there for a second. I wonder if they stock anything other than rainbows. Just had one take it. Missed the hook set. Oh, son of a, come on. Pay attention to the back cast. I'm just about to lose that fly again. Need to move over here where I can Well, I don't know. It's kind of goofy either way you go. You just gotta watch the back cast. Come on. I seen like 2 of them in the water swing at it. Swing and a miss. I don't know how many fish are stocked up in this one little area. Go a little further out. I think I had something grab it when I was not on it. I wonder if they take a muddler. Nothing on that cast. I didn't even see a strike or anything. There's one. And another one's on. Hand wet. Nice little guy, little 10, 11 incher. Oh dang, I had one on. It looks like took it on the drop over there. Hush. Tilly. Oh dang, missed another one. Oh, got another one. There he is. Oh, quick release. Yeah, we've kind of worn this spot out a little bit. Oh, what the heck happened there? I don't know. I think my drag. Something has happened to my drag. Oh, good thing I don't use it. Nope. Oh, little guy came and smacked it at the end. Took it on the dangle. Oh, forgot about our tree back there. Ah, oh, dang it. Tree again. We're not getting that fly back. Not likely. Definitely not now. That's higher than I can get, that's for sure. And I'm pretty sure I saw it. Yep. Well, good thing I got a couple more woolly buggers. Hush. Let's see if they like this one better. I don't know. They seem to like that one perfectly fine, so I doubt these trout really care. Nothing fancy, just your... The only difference about this woolly bugger is I had some... I think I had some polar fiber or something. And I used that for... I used some of that for a tail instead of a marabou. That's about the only difference. Mostly because I had ran out of marabou. That was the color I preferred to use. So I don't know why I keep biting it. I have freaking nippers right there. That's the only thing I don't like about those scissors is that I have a hard time keeping a hold of the line that I'm cutting. Well, what the is going on here? There we go. Maybe we'll try to catch one or two more out of this pond and then we'll go search for another spot. That thing sinks like a rocket though. See if they get... Did I lose my fly? I don't think so. Might have. Nope, still there. That's going to be interesting to see if they really turned off on that, on this fly versus the other one. I think I had something on right there. Either that or there's a branch or something that I keep hanging up on over there. I may not get another 2 fish out of this spot. They may have gotten wise to the situation here. Well, that course, I have other flies that look pretty much identical to the one that I lost, so. Nope. Oh, that one took it, but let go. There's one. Some dang black flies. Alrighty, we got another one on. That's a good size one. It's like 14 almost. He's got the lockjaw too. I don't think he's got lockjaw. I think, there we go. I don't know, probably more like 12. Looked a little better at first. I think it's kind of, from what I'm seeing, it seems like they're somewhat stacked kind of in the middle there. There's a group of them at least. It's about every time I go into that area, but I have to get the right depth first and bring it through. Ah, dang it. Dang tree. Keep forgetting that tree's back there. Luckily I just smacked the edge or something on that one. Be cool if I got my fly to knock out of there, but I don't think, no, I think it's still up there. Unless I lost my fly. Nope, it's there still. Well, we might have wore out our welcome on this hole here. Try a different area. We don't know, we might get a fish, we might not. Line's getting all tangled up on the reel. It doesn't seem like they're up that way. Seems like they're all towards the back, or kind of in the middle. I haven't had any even a bump over there. Almost thinking about seeing if I can't find a spot to cross. but it's kind of pointless because it'd have to be over there. Wouldn't really have any back cast room. Dang. I don't know, those are boulders or if I'm missing fish on that one. Oh, that was a fish there for sure. I saw it flash. Oh, dang it. Right in the water, right on the ice edge. Just about. Oh, dang, I had one on too. Bloop. See if we can't get one to grab it out from underneath the ice and nope. One more fish. Nah. Probably go see what's going on below this. Plus, what time is that? It's only 2. Don't look like we're getting any more fish. Ah, I think we just lost our fly in that tree. Yep. Tilly, you're supposed to tell me I was hitting the tree. Yeah. Yeah. You were supposed to tell me I was getting close to the tree, dog. Alright, what do we got? About maybe about a 6-foot leader. I think I'll snip off this little edge here because it feels a little rough. Alright, well, you know what? We'll try this kind of damsel looking fly thing, something that I've tied up before. See if that gets any interest. It gets down there, that's for sure. You got little bead chain eyes, like peacock herl, and a bit of marabou for a tail. It might not, I don't know. I mean, it's stock trout, so for the most part they're not overly picky. Old eyeballs don't work anymore. Trying to get that dang old tippet through. The knot. Alright. Seeing as how apparently we ain't getting no love in these pools, which is kind of strange. We'll go try down here on this pond. See what's going on. Well, that's some swamp. Some swamp. Go this way. Take this trail that somebody's put in. Get above the ice, on the ice, and this section don't look as deep as the other ponds do, but pretty sure we might be able to get a few casts in. Not really deep right here. I don't think they teach this casting. That's some sidearm jibber jabber going on there. I don't think this is going to have enough depth to really do anything. See if that works. And do an old roll cast. Oh, might have had something. Probably just a piece of twig or something though. That's a pretty good roll cast. Right by the ice might work. Yep, it did. Don't know what it worked on, but it worked on something. What is that? A brook trout or something? Creek chub probably. Looks like creek chub. Yeah, it's a creek chub. Go figure. Creek chub. Oh, now I know why there ain't really any creek chub up in the shallows up there, because they're all still hiding down here in the pond. Which probably means there's not much in the way of trout. Oh, that's a good sized creek chub, so it'd take a pretty big trout to take that one down. Oh, what's that? Is that a trout or is that a creek chub? I think that might be a brook trout actually. And if it is a half decent brook trout, it's probably going to be, oh yeah, that looks like a brook, that's a brook trout, all right. Awesome. Hand is wet. That's a good sized brookie. If I can get it landed. Almost there. Oh, stop. Forgot my net. Paying the price. Nice brook trout. Oh.